Hi, my name is Joseph Mungi, and in this video, I'm going to give you a brief guide of how to use your vehicle tracking application. The first step, after the installation is done, you'll receive a text message either through SMS or WhatsApp, giving you your login credentials and links to install the application, and also an additional link to be able to use the website browser. The first step is to install the application through the relevant channels. If you're using an Android phone, visit the Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, visit the App Store. Or if you want to track on the website, you can visit the link indicated here below. After you visit this link and install the application, next you have to be able to log into your account. You do this through a three-step process. First, enter your account name, followed by your password, then click on login. After you logged in, you'll be able to see different elements on the screen. The first one being the icon, which will be indicated as a small picture of a vehicle on the map. This will indicate the current location of your vehicle. If the icon is blue, it means that the vehicle is static, meaning it has stopped. If the vehicle icon is green, it means that the vehicle is currently moving. If it's red, the vehicle is overspeeding. And if it's gray, it means the vehicle is offline, which can be as a result of lack of network, depleted airtime, or wiring disconnection issue. On the monitor page where you'll have started, there's also an icon for you to change the map view, which you can change to satellite view for more accuracy. There's also a live traffic link, which enhances the traffic information on the map. You'll also have a zoom in and zoom out button for you to be able to see the different vehicles or zoom in to a particular street. You can also be able to see your current location by clicking the location icon on the map. And finally, you can be able to see the registration numbers and the points of interest by clicking on the registration number icon and the points of interest icon respectively. Then down there, you'll also be able to see we have four pages. The first one being the monitor page. The next one is the devices page. If you click on this, it will show you all your devices and also indicate which devices are online and which ones are offline. Next out of this, you'll see the alerts page where you'll be able to see the different alerts which you have received over a set period of time. And finally, there's the Me tab, which you can be able to access your personal profile, create a geofence, schedule reports, and also download the generated reports. And additionally to this is also where you can be able to change your password. When it comes to commands, there are different commands which you can be able to do. First, you go and click on your respective vehicle which you need. Then below that, click on the commands, and you can be able to do the different commands. The most popular command being vehicle switching off, or rather engine control. To do that, click on the stop engine tab. After you click on this, enter your password, and you'll be able to switch off your vehicle. For you to restore power, go back to the restore engine, click on that, and then you'll be able to restore the engine. That's a brief overview of how the vehicle tracking app works. And in case you're in need of further assistance, feel free to contact us through our telephone number indicated here below, or you can visit our office for more clarification.